welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys the one palette makeup challenge, and you guys will just have to see which palette I use, but this video is a struggle. Okay, it took me forever, but we made it work. Daisy tagged me to do this challenge, and it's been like 2 weeks since she uploaded it and I still haven't done it, so here I am doing it. Basically, if you guys don't know what it is, I'm not sure if this has like been around or if Daisy came up with it. I honestly don't know. So basically for this challenge, you have to pick out an eyeshadow palette, and you can't be like basic and cheat and just use like a neutral eyeshadow palette, because that's slick. Okay, that's sneaky right there. You don't appreciate that. So I picked a really colorful one, as you can see, and basically you just have to use every single shade in the palette, every single shade. And also make sure you guys go ahead and check out all my other socials. So my Instagram is at Tina Halada, my Twitter is at Tina Halada, and my Snapchat is the only thing that's different from like my other usernames. It's Tutorials by Tina. I wish you could change your username on Snapchat, because that has been my username for like the past 2 years when I was like known by Tutorials by Tina. If you guys were there during the olden days, if you guys remember that, but that's my Snapchat name now and I can't change it. So yeah, I'll have it on the screen somewhere. Go add me on Snapchat because it's a little behind the scenes in my daily life. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look, even though it is by no means a tutorial, make sure you guys go ahead and keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm actually going to be using this Certified eyeshadow palette because I wanted to use something colorful, but that did not have like I was thinking of doing the Morphe 35B, but there's literally like 30 shades in that and they're all different, so I was like, hell no. So I'm going to use this. This is the Certified the Tropical Wonders palette. I have only used this one time and I think it's such a pretty palette. It's literally just like a rainbow. Like, I love it. But yeah, I'm going to be doing the one palette challenge where I have to use every single shade in this palette. I'm scared. I've already primed for my eyeshadow, by the way. Okay, I know what I'm going to do. Okay, so the first shade I'm going to go in with is this pink color right here. It's called Hibiscus. Oh shit. I'm just going to start off by taking this up in the crease. I'm going to take this super high up. I already know that this eyeshadow is going to be dramatic as hell. I mean, like, look at the palette. It's going to be crazy. But I want to leave like a lot of space so that I can really use like all of the colors. Now I'm going to take Firefish, which is right next. Actually, yeah, that one right there. And I'm going to take this in the crease as well. Okay guys, this is really off topic, but I was watching this documentary called The Secret, and I got recommended it by someone, I forget who, but I started watching it and I was like, oh my god, like, this is what I've been preaching for the longest time. So basically it's about the law of attraction, which you guys know. Actually, you guys probably don't know, but I believe in it. Basically it's just a concept where whatever you think, like your thoughts, the universe basically like brings it back to you. So it's like a magnet. Your thoughts, if you're thinking negatively, the universe will receive that and bring you back only negative things. But if you think positive and have like a clear mindset of like what you want, then the universe will only bring you positive things. Obviously it has to do a lot with action as well. You can't just like say, I want this, and then it comes to you, you know. You really have to like manifest in it and just make it like your reality through your mind. Basically, the life you perceive is the life you will receive. And I've been preaching that for the longest time. I want to get it like tattooed on me. So next I'm just gonna grab the shade Honey Creeper, which is this one. I'm also gonna take that in the crease, just build up the purple. Oh my god, okay, wait, I need to put some bake under my eyes because I'm getting a little bit of fallout and I'm scared it's gonna ruin my makeup. So but yeah, like I was saying, it's something that like I've seen throughout my life and I didn't really realize what it was until I like stumbled upon it. Okay, so a little story time. When I started YouTube and doing makeup, everyone would always ask me like, why are you doing this? You're wasting your time. How do you know you're gonna ever like get anything out of it or like succeed in it? And I would always just say like, I know I will. And I used to think it was just my intuition. I just always had a feeling that it would go somewhere and it would take me somewhere. I just always had that gut feeling. But now I realize that it wasn't my intuition at all. It was me saying I know it'll happen and just thinking about it all the time and knowing, like, just imagining what it would be like. That's what attracted it to me, and that's why I got successful. So it wasn't my intuition at all. It was just me saying, I know I'm gonna do it. And it was just that positive thinking and the hard work that goes along with it that brought it to me. And I kind of lost it for a while. Like sometimes you definitely do get like discouraged, but watching that documentary just like reminded me of it. So I'm gonna work on my positive thinking and get back on track, because if you guys want to know more about it, just go watch that documentary, because they couldn't have said it better. I'm kind of bad at explaining stuff, but definitely recommend you guys go watch it. So now I'm going to take the shade Starling and take that into the crease too. So now I'm going to take the shade Bonobo, which is a black shade, and I'm going to use this to deepen up like the crease and the outer corners. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the cut crease. So I'm going to take Tarte Shape Shape and just do a like halo eye cut crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take the shade Waterfall, which is a white color, and I'm going to use that to set this. Okay, packing that on to set it and also to brighten it. This one is actually a really nice white. I'm so happy. I feel like I can never find a good one. So I'm first gonna grab this yellow shade right here, and that's gonna go the closest to like the center. These eyeshadows are impressing me so much. They're so pigmented, and like start doing the halo eyes. So I'm gonna leave a space in the middle just for that white. So now I'm taking the shade Toucan. I never know how to say that word, but I'm packing that right next to it on each side. And then I'm grabbing the shade Red Sea. Okay, now I'm grabbing Equator. I'm sorry, I'm not really talking that much, but I'm just so focused. And that's gonna go like last out here and really make that red pop. I'm gonna grab a little bit of the shade Shrimp just because I haven't used that yet and I don't know where I'm gonna use it. So I'm just gonna use it on the outer corners here. I don't know, just to kind of blend the purples with like whatever's going on here. But I'm gonna take the shade Shrimp and pack it out here. Now I'm gonna wipe off the bake and get onto the lower lash line. I think I'm just gonna be using like the green shades under there, because the green and the blue shades, because that's all I have left. My favorite tip. Oops, oh my god, no. I should have applied on my nose. There's like 2 shades in here that I have no idea how I'm gonna use it. I don't know how to use Dusk or the gray color. I have no idea. There's like a light blue, light minty green, and then dark blue, dark minty green, and then like a green green. So I really don't know how to do this. I think I'm just gonna take Fruit Dub and Coast. First gonna take Fruit Dub and just apply this on the lower lash line, like right in my inner corner right here. I'm just gonna do an ombre because I honestly don't know. Like, look at these colors, bro. I have no idea. I'm gonna pack that down here, and then I'm gonna grab Coast. I'm about to look really crazy right now. And then I'm gonna grab Atlantic. And then, oh my god, I'm gonna grab Bermuda. Oh, this looks so stupid. I'm gonna take Atlantic again. And then I'm gonna take Swamp. And then I'm gonna take Bermuda. So ugly. Ugh, ew. What the hell? I don't like this challenge. This is not fun. I think I'm just gonna grab Typhoon, and I don't know what to do with this. I'm gonna put it underneath these colors. Use that to smoke it out. And then I'm gonna grab Bonobo and apply it right up here. Merge it with the purple color. That lower lash line just ruined everything for me. I'm gonna just take Dusk and put it like on top of one of the green colors because it is kind of like a pukey kind of color, so I guess it'll just emphasize like the greenness in it. I'm gonna take it out here. So now I'm just gonna take this Makeup Geek full spectrum eyeliner pencil, and I'm gonna apply this on my waterline. I'm gonna take the other full spectrum eyeliner pencil, which is like this minty green one, and this is in the color, wait, it doesn't say, Mint. The other one was Cobalt, yeah, I already said that. And I'm gonna put that on the inner corner. I'm gonna take the white and apply it on my inner corner, and my brow bone too, just to add light in here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes, do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I finished up the look. This is probably like the longest makeup look has ever taken me. Pretty frustrating, but we did it. And honestly, I feel like this look still came out good, even though it's kind of a crazy color combination. Let me think on like who I want to tag. Okay, I'm gonna tag Shelby because she hasn't done it yet. Thomas because he hasn't done it yet. Rachel can too. And then I'm gonna tag Amanda Diaz, girl. Do this challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.